Ukraine's robot machine gun held off Russia for 6 weeks. For 45 days, Russian frontline troops were pinned back by a remote-controlled weapon no larger than a ride-on lawnmower. Follow this page for more updates on international news. For 45 days straight, Russian troops on the front line in eastern Ukraine were pinned back by machine gun fire. Even under the cover of fog, they could not break through. It seemed that the fierce resistance was being made by dozens of Ukrainian troops in multiple positions. In fact, it was the 3rd Army Corps' secret weapon, the DevDroid TW 12.7. The unmanned ground vehicle, no bigger than a ride-on lawnmower, is armed with a 50 caliber M2 Browning machine gun and operated remotely by a soldier as far as 15 miles away. It can tackle rugged terrain at 4.3 mph using an AI automatic guidance system or by remote control. The unit's commander told The Telegraph that the feat marked a new chapter in modern warfare, where repeated Russian attacks could now be met and held back without a single soldier being put in harm's way. Every day of combat operations is, in essence, a daily renewal of warfare. The war currently underway in our country is the first and only modern technological war in history, said Mykola Makar Zinkovich, the NC-13 Strike Company's commander. Machines like these are what will change the course of combat operations. The NC-13 Strike Company is a unit within the 3rd Army Corps that specializes in uncrewed ground vehicles, or UGVs. According to CDR Zinkovich, the company deployed the DevDroid TW 12.7 in multiple positions during its 45-day stint at an undisclosed location. It would briefly leave its post every 2 days for maintenance and ammunition restocking by a crew sheltering 2.4 miles away from the front line. Tasked with delivering relentless firepower, it stood before Russian forces, deterring attacks and protecting the soldiers behind it. The DevDroid TW 12.7 has an operational range of up to 15 miles and is primarily controlled remotely via radio signal, allowing Ukrainian operators to guide it from a safe distance. In addition to manual control, the drone is equipped with artificial intelligence that enables it to set its own course across the battlefield. Videos of the drone in action show it moving across rugged terrain and firing multiple quick-fire shots towards Russian positions. The enemy conducted daily offensive pressure on forward positions, explained CDR Zinkovich, who added that the machine gun held off every advance. He explained that Russia was attempting to exploit poor weather conditions, including fog, rain, and snow, to infiltrate in small groups. Weather conditions have played into Russian tactical planning in recent weeks. Persistent fog and poor visibility have limited Ukrainian drone surveillance and aerial reconnaissance. This has made it harder for Kiev's forces to spot and strike advancing units early, while giving Russian troops moments to move or mount attacks under the cover of low visibility. The feat highlights the evolving role of unmanned systems in modern warfare, where drones can both extend the reach of soldiers and take on tasks that would otherwise put personnel at risk. In Ukraine, UAVs and ground drones have increasingly taken over roles once filled by soldiers, carrying out reconnaissance, delivering firepower, and holding positions on the front line with minimal human presence.